All right, so as we discussed in the previous video, a non-identifying adjective clause is separated from the rest of the sentence by commas. So as you can see here, the map, which is on the table, is new. That's a non-identifying adjective clause because there is only one map. Okay. The map which is on the table is new. Notice there are no commas. That's because this is an identifying clause. It identifies which map is new. There are two maps in the second picture. Only one of them is new, and that's the one on the table. Okay. Do not use that to introduce non-identifying adjective clauses. Use who for people and which for places and things. Okay? Marie Curie, that won the Nobel Prize, discovered radium. Not good. Okay? You want to say Marie Curie, who won the Nobel Prize, discovered radium. Okay? All right. Athens, that is the birthplace of the Olympics, is in Greece. Not good. Okay. All right. You want to say Athens, which is the birthplace of the Olympics, is in Greece. All right. So that's the end of that.